First of all, have you guys walked into a room where there are hundreds of engineers and additionally a lot of manufacturers and suppliers, where you will be learning all the embedded system by interacting with everyone and having your hands-on practices and like learning this kind of technology in that way. Recently, I've attended an event by the Mouser Electronics, okay, which is India's Technical Roadshow 2026. And this video is not just about like what are all the learning I've got from this event. Because after attending that event, like as a company, our founder, Mr. M.K. Jevarajan, we had a discussion and we are planned to reframe the whole embedded community learning, like learning approaches in a completely different way. And if you are staying till end, you will be getting to know about some certain thing, how we can able to move ahead on this technological field instead of just watching YouTube videos and learning. Okay, how we can able to meet up on direct basis and touching up our hardwares and doing projects and those things and that kind of update which I'm going to give it here right today. So recently, Mouser have conducted some technical event. Okay, they used to conduct in three location. One is Pune and Bangalore and then Chennai. So I've attended that event in Chennai actually. So remember, while talking about the Mouser, like they are a top tier distributor, okay, of semiconductors and all electronic components and all. So they have conducted the event for the manufacturers and so on. But after like we have our own community where we have like lakhs of people around there who are all learning embedded and artificial intelligence. So that's why like we guys have got a clear idea about how can we able to navigate this community in a proper learning way to become an entrepreneur or building a products and projects and so on. So first of all, remember what always people used to think is engineering means always people used to think it is a college. Remember, the reality is different. Engineering is not a college. Engineering is equals to industry. So while talking about the industry, it includes a lot of things. Like it includes manufacturer, engineers, designers, field application engineers, PCB experts, automotive engineers, and so on. Like all these people come together. That is what the industry is all about. That's what the engineering is all about. And that's why we are all going to have that kind of experience very soon. I hope you are really, really excited about it. And while talking about my experience, this is what the agenda of that event. Always, I suggest the people just go and always look for the Google in like whatever the technical event is happening nearby. You just always search embedded event nearby or embedded event in this Bangalore or whatever the location you are living in, because this kind of lot of event which has been conducted by bigger organization and industries. Remember, like if you really wanted to learn any technology. For an example, if you take embedded or artificial intelligence, it's not just like learning, oh, wow, I'm learning embedded C programming. Wow, I'm learning basic electronics. That's okay. But apart from that, you need to start loving a technology and being passionate on it and what all the top tier companies are building up. For an example, if you are really passionate about embedded system or AI, you should be aware of what the product which has been launched by Google or what the product which has been launched by Apple and what is all the technological stuffs which they guys have used in it. So that kind of thing you will get by attending this kind of event. So always just go to Google and always search for any technical event is happening around you. Just go and attend it because most of the event will be free to attend. Only a few event might be chargeable, but this Mouser event, which is completely free, and it is being conducted in the Star Hotel. And while talking about this, so you can just see it is just an entrance where the registration and all happened. And that complete, Star Hotel, which is can able to accommodate around nearly 300 people, and all the 300 seats were filled up. Okay, and after that, like some breakfast, which is and all happened. There are a lot of companies have just came in. Okay, and they just given a presentation regarding some products and all. Like even we guys have had a concepts of the generative design and the Rolls Royce digital twin, and also the predictive quality. And even nowadays, a lot of people are talking about like AI agents for the embedded domains. Like while talking about the embedded domains, a requirement agent. Because imagine if any company want to build a product, first of all, they want to ask the requirement from their customers. So what if the people are building up the requirement agent, which is gonna get all the requirements which is being wanted from the clients and by asking tons and tons of questions, and then component agent. So based on the requirement, what all the components is required. So that planning agent, which is also people are building up, and firmware agent, like where like where it is gonna build up or write up the codes and those things. And even in the hardware side also, like nowadays, a lot of platforms which is all there, even Flex AI, which can able to do the schematics and layouts for you from just from the prompt. So likewise, AI is not that much, like into the industries, but it is evolving. Okay, with the help of the human as a person, we can able to collaboratively work with AI, and we can able to build a lot of things together. And then the event started, and a lot of companies have just coming in, and they just talked about these kind of phases. And even Silicon Labs also, they just came in and they just talked about the industrial Bluetooth which is available, the module which they have, and just talk about the specifications and those things. And while talking about Wi-Fi, right now all the people are talking about the Wi-Fi 6 and what is all present there, like low power or security and those things. And also, the guys have discussed about an automobile sector, like for an example, if you talk about the automobile sector, there is a electric vehicle, there is going to be a battery. So inside that battery, there is going to be a lot of cells. So what if you can able to monitor each and every parameter of a certain cell, and we can able to easily upload it in the cloud platform, like what is the charge present in it, what is the health rate, and everything. So that kind of discussion, which has not all happened. Silicon Labs, they have talked about that WISUN. Okay, like WISUN, while talking about the WISUN, WISUN. Okay, it is completely for the smart city. Imagine like you are living in a city, like there should be communication between one street light versus another street light, traffic light cameras, and all these things needed to be connected. So that kind of applications. And also the guys have talked about the Zigbee recent module which they have just building up. And very importantly, the another thing is called the Matter. Okay, I don't know how many of you people are aware about the Matter. Matter is also another thing, because you might have heard about the Zigbee, but only few people might have heard about the Matter. So Matter is also there, which is for the smart home systems. Okay, because in the home you have a lot of appliances, and what about everything is getting connected with each other. So that kind of discussion which is all went. And then the predictive maintenance in the edge platform, because previously how the predictive maintenance is going to be happened is, like whatever the sensor data which they are acquiring, they will take that sensor data and they will upload it to the cloud. And in that cloud, AI or anything which is going to be deployed, and that AI is going to be processed there, and it is going to predict the faults or those things, and then it is going to return back and then doing some activity. That's what most of the time will happen. But nowadays it is all coming into like edge deployment in the sense that predictive maintenance with an AI like or ML, which is going to be deployed in that edge devices itself, so that it is going to do that maintenance in the edge devices. And also they have discussed about the wire pass mesh and so on. And also they have discussed about something like like a 5-layer automation landscape, where the first stages, which is all going to be the sensors, like it might be a speedometer sensor, it might be accelerometer, or it might be like fuel indication, it can be a anything. Okay, not only for automobile, even for industry or automobile or anything. The first stage, which is going to be the sensors, and the second stage is which is going to be completely on the controllers, like it might be a controller, or it can be a PLCs, it can be anything. So that kind of controller, which is all comes under the second stage. And third stage, which is going to be, of course, a SCADA. You might have heard about the SCADA, and then the MES, and then ERP, and then finally there is a cloud. So it is a kind of like 5-layer automation landscape, which the guys have discussed about. And also the guys have discussed about something called like software defined automation. You just refer it, because like a lot of people are moving from the PLC to the software defined automations and those things. And also like IPs in the sense like industrial PCs. So these and all kind of lot of discussion, it really went. Okay, and it was really amazing. And also there are a lot of product showcases is also really happened there. So while talking about the product showcases, you can see this video. There, the guys have implemented. These are all, like core evaluation boards. Okay, it is based on the Cortex series. But the very primary demo is on completely on their Bluetooth modules and their Wi-Fi modules and their Zigbee and those modules. So the complete demo on this. Even you can see this is the core main node for an example, and these are all additional nodes which is all connected with that main one. Okay, so like how the communication which is going to be happening. Even some people might have heard about the LoRa or something, where for an example, if you want to communicate nearly around 5 kilometers, so there is going to be the LoRa 1 and the LoRa 2 and then LoRa 3. So first LoRa is going to send that data to the second and then third, and then so that you can able to increase the distance and all. So likewise, they have also brought up some demo like this, where each and every devices which is going to be communicating with each other. So this is the first demo which the guys have shown, and also this is also another kind of demo which the guys have shown by the Silicon Labs. And even manual control as well as the automated control, as well as this kind of long line communication. So these are also can be done. And also not only that, even the guys have just come up with some the board, which is this one. This is also an evaluation board, which is going to cost you around I think nearly 3,000, because in people who are already following our community, you already know we guys have done embedded AI courses and those things, where we guys have used ESP32 CIO ESP32 S3 Sense. Same as like the Silicon Labs also coming up with some small evaluation board, which is having around nearly 6 to 7 sensors, like includes microphone and those things. But if you want to connect the camera, of course, need to be connected with the help of any SPI interfaces and those things. So this is also really they just shown up, and I just taken a picture, and behind that there is all the demo which is all out there. I hope you guys really love this. And remember, nowadays embedded is really changing. It is really evolving because all people are started talking about the edge AI, like edge AI in the sense like deploying artificial intelligence in the real edge devices. Instead, previously how it will happen is like IoT comes under, still it is there, but no doubt on it. But other than that, there will be a sensor, there will be a core board, it might be a microcontroller, it might be anything. So that core board which is going to acquire the data from the sensor and it is going to upload to the cloud. And that cloud is the place where AI or ML is going to be deployed, and that result is going to be again updated to this very important core board, and that core board is going to do some activity. So that's how it is going to work. But nowadays, all people are talking about the edge devices, like whatever the maintenance or anything, like predictions or anything which is going to be happening on the, which is all happening on the edge devices. And even in the industries or medical electronics or robotics like drones and automotive and all these fields, that is all the place where those things are happening. Okay, and also networking is also happened because there not only just students have came in, like students are very few, but more than that there are a lot of industrial experts have just came in, and suppliers they just came in. And it was a really wonderful event where we have networked with all other people, and we guys have shared the cards, and you know, a lot of people asked about a lot of questions, and the Q&A session was amazing. So like a lot of things that really happened. All people, I just want you guys to check out any event which is happening like this. Never ever miss any events, guys. And the lunch was awesome. Okay, it's like it was really cool. A lot of things that really happened. It was amazing. So this is what my experience which I got from this kind of events, guys. Okay, I hope you guys also really got like what is all happening and how it looks like and everything, because my intention is not to just making you to feel regret that you guys have missed the event. No, my intention is very clear by showing you these kind of things, how it will be. Okay, how the event is going to look like, even though you are a college student, even though you are a working professional, even though you are a passionate person, but no job, no problem. You just go and attend those kind of event. You will get more interest on your core domain. It might be even electrical EV event, which had happened recently, and this kind of embedded event or any chip level related, VLSI related, or anything like based on your field. Just go and attend that kind of event, which is going to increase that passion which is present inside and interest which is present inside, which is going to push you towards pursuing that career even deeper level. Okay, and very importantly, after we guys have attended that event, what is the biggest problem we analyze is why these kind of events are happening in just one or two locations in whole India. Okay, because that's what the biggest problem which we are really observed. So that's why our company's founder, Mr. M.K. Jivarajan sir, we have had a discussion. Why can't we conduct this kind of events in a lot of places? Okay, so that people can able to just come and they just can able to attend. Even we have our own bigger embedded and AI community. So like how about meeting them offline? Because all the people in our community, they all used to always ask shall we meet you in person or something. So that's why we just came up with an idea to bring up this kind of community to your cities. So that's what the plan. We just guys come up with that, because imagine an event where you can do something like touching a real hardware. Okay, watching a real demo, so on learning a PCB design and getting that kind of hands-on experience, or understanding like automotive electronics, or participating in workshops, or building a project, or meet other passionate learners, guys. This is really awesome because you can able to see the like-minded people. Okay, because when you are in your college or when you are in your office, so some people or few people, like they will be just work or study academic marks. Like only few people will be more passionate and more interested in that certain domain which they are working on, which they are studying in. So, but if you're coming for that kind of event, you can able to see nearly around 300 people or 1,000 people based on the count. You can able to see that like-minded people. So that kind of experience, which is going to be really remarkable, and which is going to be really benefiting you, because that is where you will be having a real learning, real networking, real engineering. Okay, so that's why we are planning to do that thing for you. Okay, but we haven't finalized the city or date or venue, because we need to do based on the actual demand. So that's why we're really having this vision that imagine from after 5 years from now, okay, instead of students is learning from YouTube and ChatGPT and Claude and those things, what if they are meeting engineers every month? Okay, what if they are building project together? What if they are getting a reference? Imagine like if 2 or 3 companies are collaborating and they are conducting that kind of event. So imagine about the referrals. And what about starting your own companies, guys? Because even this Pantech.ai is a 23 years of product manufacturing company. We have manufactured a lot of products under the category of electronics, electrical, mechanical, robotics, artificial intelligence. Even we guys have shipped a product to ISRO and DRDOs and all. So what if you are getting that kind of like starting up your own company kind of experience from us, and building your own first product and launching up into the market and making your first sales? So that kind of experience, how about that? So you'll be creating your own product and you'll be launching your own company. Even if you're a student or anyone, like you can start up your own embedded or AI related companies and those things. So that kind of experience, how it will be. Okay, instead of just sitting inside the home and watching the videos and videos, instead you will be getting an experience of the whole like-minded people plus the experts on the board. Okay, so that's what the kind of dream or like the embedded ecosystem which we are planning to build it up. And out of that, this is going to be the first step where I'm just going to give you one Google form. Okay, all people, you just please take your time and just fill up the form, because that form which is going to have all these things where which is going to be helpful for to understand or where you from and what kind of topic you guys wanted to learn. So all these things we just wanted to know from you. So what I'll be doing here is I'm just going to give you one form in the comment section. So all people just go and fill up that form. All people, you can just see this is what the form looks like. So shape India's next embedded engineering meetup, embedded and AI. Okay, and the city, state, time, venue will be finalized later. So, but before that, all people just fill up the form, because we need to know what you really wanted to know, where are you from, and where you can able to attend that event or not. Because this is what our motive is, like meeting every engineers every month, and building project together, getting referrals, starting your own companies, creating products and so on. You just fill up your email ID and name and WhatsApp number and age group and occupation, and which department are you from, which domain you are really working on, and where did you hear from this from us, and also the country and state and city. So if you are really excited for this amazing offline event where you can able to meet us and in person, and when we can build up the real things amazing together. So remember, if you wanted to be part of this building this embedded AI ecosystem, which we guys have dreamed of, and just please fill up the form so that you are going to be part of this community where we are going to really meet each other and we are going to build something really together. So I hope you really love this video, and it's me Sanjay signing off. We'll see you on the another video, guys.